Today we will be checking out the Thompson in Washington, D.C. If you want more videos like this, please give this video a like and consider subscribing. The Thompson, D.C. is located in the Navy Yards area of Washington, D.C. and is a perfect starting point if you want to watch a baseball or soccer game. Upon entering the lobby, the check-in area will be to your right. The lobby also has a couple of different seating options for you to relax and socialize. Just around the corner is the bar room, which serves light bites and handcrafted cocktails. There is also a gym on property, though it is very small. Inside the bathroom, there is a rainfall shower and the signature Thompson scent Bell Makers by DS and Druga. There's a decent sized closet with a safe and a few drawers as well. To the right of the bed, there's a small complimentary coffee station and a mini fridge. Lastly, there is a small work area with a retractable shelf. Breakfast is served downstairs in the restaurant Surveyor. The menu had a lot of options to choose from, and even a special menu for Cinco de Mayo. I ended up going with a brisket hash, some fruit, and a cappuccino, which were all very good.